In today's video, we will discuss about significant figures and decimal places. I have arranged some of the examples for you to understand these two terms. Let's say correct to one significant figure. We have to correct it to one significant figure. And you know that the first significant figure is this. So we have to arrange it to that much. Okay, we have moved 783 to this much, and you can say it's one significant figures. We have corrected it to one significant figure. So next example, part B, you may say 87602, and our significant figure is 8. So, and the next number is 7. So it's greater than the value of 5 or 4. So we can easily add up one digit to this and make it correct one significant figure in this way. Yeah. Okay, let's see another example. Correct to three significant figures. Is 1, is 2, and then the third one. 3 is the third one, and we have to look forward towards the fourth term, that is 8. So we can easily add up one digit to that, and that will make 3740. And you can say correct to three significant figures because we have 8 after the 3, and it's greater than the 5 value. Alright, let's check out this one. First, second, and third, and the 4 digit is 9. Is still greater, so we can easily make it like this: 80300. Alright, let's check this in decimal figures. Correct to two significant figures. This is the first one, this is the second one, and you can see the third term is 9. So we can easily add up one digit, and that will make it 0.440. Alright, this is the first, this is the second, and third one is 5th. So we still can add and make it 60. Yeah, it's correct to two significant figures. Okay, let's work on some word problems. Speed of light is 299792458 meter per square per second. Yeah, write the speed correct to three significant figures and six significant figures. I think so. You can easily check this out. 1, 2, 3, and the fourth term is 7. You can still add up and make it up to this much. Yeah, meter per second. Alright, now we have to look forward to 6th term. Yeah, 2 is the 6th term, and you can see that after 2, no, yeah, 2 is the last term, and after 2 we have 4 over here, that is smaller than the 5, the number 5, so we can easily write it in this form. Meter per second. Over here you can see that we didn't add up another value because the 7th term that we have is smaller than the number 5, so we can't add any greater value to the digit 2. Okay, I have designed this example for your homework. You have to do it on your own. Let's work out on another example. Pablo Picasso, Women of Desire, sold at auction in New York for $179,365.00. Write this place correct to four significant figures. Okay, so this one is first, second, third, and fourth. And you can see the fifth digit is 6, greater than the number 5. So we can easily add up. Yeah, this will be the dollar corrected to the four significant figures. So the last example is Bohr radius is a physical constant of value 0.0000000052917 7 to 1092 millimeters. Write the Bohr radius corrected to 7 decimal point, and the part B is 7 significant figures. Alright, so we have to, first of all, we have to write, this is the first decimal point, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh. Alright, this is the 7th digit, and you can see the 8th digit, 8th decimal point is number 5, so we can easily add up. And that will be corrected to 7 decimal points. All right, so part B is we have to look forward towards 7 significant figures. So you know that significant figure starts from 5, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, 7, 8. Okay, so you can see that 7th significant figure is 2 and the number 8 is 1. That is lesser amount than the number 5. So we can easily just write 0.5291772. Yeah, that will be a millimeter. Yeah, after this we can't add up any other value into that 2 because the next value, or you may say the 8th significant figure, is 1. That is less amount, the lesser number than the number 5. Okay, in this video we have worked on our significant figures and decimal points. Hope you understand it.